and then we're going to look at the Aussie dollar, and we're probably going to take the euro. I'm not sure about the euro Aussie Hadzi. Why? Because the euro was quite strong on Friday. But anyway, let's finish the Aussie yen. Look at this. That is a as you have seen, it has been a very strong move. We had a lot of movement coming into the Australian dollar by what we have seen in the pound and what we have seen in the Aussie dollar or whatever the rest we're going to see. This here is a very good close because it closed the week at 82.93, which is about 10 points above the structure point. It is also above the prior weekly lows. It's above the prior weekly highs. So this is a pretty decent close. It's a strong close, and it would indicate, especially with that, a continuation to the upside, and it's going to make our trading easy. So now it's a no-brainer where we're going to sell it. It's an absolutely no-brainer. It closed at 93. My selling point and the structures point is the 82.87. So it's a no-brainer. And if you put a gun to my head right now to take a trade in the Aussie yen, I will be buying it. Why? Because I'll buy it at 82.93. I'm placing my stop 5 pips below the 82.87. So it is a gimme, an easy trade with the Aussie yen, and our risk on that trade is practically nothing. So I need to go into the intraday chart and I try to identify a point of entry where to buy. Selling it is a no-brainer, right below the 82.87. So this is going to be my selling point. This is where I'm going to short. This is where I'm going to put my stop on the short. So I'm going to put SS, means short stop, and I'm going to buy above 83.20. Okay, and if I buy it at 83.20, well, this means now my stop has to be a little bit bigger because there is nothing here except the structure point, so my stop is going to be the 82.87. So the Aussie yen, my long point is going to be, well, actually we had the same long point from last week, the 83.20. I love it when this, just when you have the rules and everything sets up, and suddenly what you have this consistency of doing things the same way every week, so now you can quantify your results. And you see now our short point from last week is also the 82.87, and our structure long is the other one, which is the 84.20, which is but my short stop, my short structure short is the 82.87, and my structure long, now this is my long stop. This is what's called consistency, guys. Seriously, when you look at the chart, you identify price points, and you see that these points you always identify, and you do things precisely the same way. Now you can quantify yourself and you can make money. This is how you be consistent. I'm really pleased that this situation just presented itself like this. And that is, guys, that is the Aussie yen. So we're buying it at above 83.20. We are going to sell it below 82.87. It is also our structure short point, and it is our stop either long or short, and our structure long is the 84.20. This means Phil, this means, no, it's not frozen, Victoria. This means, Phil, that if you buy it at 83.20 with this kind of explosive move, you're looking at the 84.20 as now your next target, if you want to be looking at a target. Okay, All right, I'm